how to make a bag from a roll using the Avid Armor A100 Gen 2 vacuum sealer. One of the benefits of a suction vacuum sealer is you can make custom size bags from a roll for items that there might not be pre-cut bags made for. For example, these pork ribs. So we're going to go ahead, make a bag from the roll, and then vacuum seal these pork ribs in this demonstration. So the first thing that you need to do to make a bag from a roll is put a seal on one end of the bag. So we'll go ahead, open the lid of the A100 vacuum sealer, place the opening of the bag in that vacuum channel, close the lid. You're going to make sure to set your seal time to 3, which is a default setting if you're using Avid Armor vacuum sealer rolls. So all we have to do to make that first seal on the bag is make sure that's set to 3 and press seal, and then we will go ahead and lock down this lid. The machine will beep when it's finished. Make sure to inspect that seal that it just made. Looks good for the first side of our bag. So now we're going to hold that bag up to the product that we are sealing. Make sure we make a bag that is plenty large enough, and make sure that you have enough headspace on that custom size bag to get all the vacuum out. So we're going to go ahead and cut this right about here based on the length of the ribs. We're going to use the Avid Armor bag cutter. You can also use scissors or whatever other cutting tool that you have. So now we've got this beautiful long bag, and we're going to go ahead and place these ribs in here. This should be interesting. All right. We got those in there. Next thing that you're going to want to do is clean up any liquids or any residue that you have on that seal area, so that way we know that we get a good vacuum. So we'll just go ahead and wipe this down. We'll clean up our little area. Okay. So we'll go ahead and place this really long bag in the sealer in that vacuum channel. Make sure that it's in there so it can vacuum the air out. And then again, what we recommend when vacuum sealing high moisture proteins is to try to expel as much air out of that bag to help the machine get all the air out as quickly as possible. So double check through your lid, make sure that your opening of the bag is in that vacuum channel, and then all we have to do is press the start button. And now that it's beeped, it's finished. Let's check out the seal. Make sure that the seal is nice and consistent, clean with all the way through. Let's check that vacuum. Make sure it's nice and tight and there's no major air bubbles all the way around that rack of ribs. That looks beautiful. And now this bag is ready for storage.